This is Eno Unboxing Official. Finally, I'm gonna unbox this one. Okay, this Hatteker G75. So I'm gonna turn the. Oh wait a moment. I'm gonna turn everything around. Then we're gonna unbox this one. Wait. Yes. So now. Okay, this is the Hatteker with the model number G75. It's a professional hair clipper. It's rated here. Comes with a charging dock, as usual. Okay, what else? With LCD display, USB. I don't know if maybe it's a USB-C. It's rated powerful motor. Okay, for the specs. Okay, got 3 hours charging time, 150 minutes operating time, and got 10 watts. That's a lot. 2000 milliamp battery. So this clipper, for me, it's really good. It's a good one. So inside comes with this one. This is the hair clipper. Okay. Servus. Servus. I changed the blade to see if maybe other blade fits. So other blade fits on it. Yo, this is another cutting blade. So I changed this cutting blade as well. So it's a USB-C. Wait a moment. Okay, it's a USB-C, but it's really lightweight. Okay, and inside comes with 5 or 6 guide combs, so it's not a good one, you know. So I don't know what this is. The manual. This is the original blade, so I'm gonna change to original blade again. Little brush, and what else? Yeah. Okay. So everything back. So this is the hair clipper, LCD display. It's not bad, you know. It feels somehow good, and the lever, it's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. And got a little weight to it. Maybe it's a metal, something like that. I don't know. It's a little bit heavy. And I made a tear down video already, but in my members only side, you know. So it clicks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks. So as you can see, so now sound check. Okay, comes with 2 speeds. Yo, so that's it for the unboxing of this, you know, hair clipper. And yo, peace, man.